Let's make this simple stew as we gist. The first time I got a job with a microfinance bank, they told us that we're going to be registering 50 accounts, like getting 50 accounts within 3 months. This was around October of that particular year. Now, each person will have to open this account with the sum of 1,000 naira and then start saving. Opening this account is 1. Getting the customers to save is 2. I thought it was going to be an easy one, but 2 months later, I had just 35 accounts. That means I have 15 more to go. And Christmas was fast approaching. And I was just thinking how I was going to spend the Xmas without having to get anything. Remember, the first month I wasn't paid, second month no salary, and now this is the third month. And I thought of what to do. So there's this colleague of mine who got hers within a month and few weeks. So I called her. I was like, girl, show me will. See your colleague go. December don't reach nothing for me. How you take run this thing now? She laughed and told me that she actually used her money to make up the account. She opened the account for intending customers. If at the end of the day they decide to run the account, it's her gain. If they decide not to, that means the account will be dormant. So guys, my stew is ready. In my next video, I'll tell you if I actually took her advice.